Good morning from Beijing South Railway Station. We just arrived and passed the security check. You can see here. Well, it looks not so complicated. Should not be rocket science. We are ahead of time, way early. I think we have more than 1 hour here now to walk around to see what is there about. We have KFC, a lot of stores. You can see here. Here are the platforms. We're going with the bullet train to Shanghai today. Just about in 4 hours and 30 minutes. We should arrive in Shanghai. So 4 hours, 30 minutes is the train journey. We will travel in economy class with the Chinese folks. Let's see how that is. And now we will see what's going on here. Trying to find something to eat in the train. Let's see how it is. You see how massive the train station is. There are a lot of tracks. It goes until 24 and beautiful design. So yeah, I think we're gonna go for a matcha or coffee, eat something, try. Maybe we'll take Macca's with us into the train to eat during the trip. I hope we have some good seats and not so we can do some work, sort out some photos, post our stories for our haters. Yeah.
Tempel neben da sind wir auch gewesen. Ja, Bro, das ist ein anderes Leben da, Alter. Das ist krass. Es hat so viel Smog, du siehst die Sonne fast nicht.
So you can see they have a lot of convenience store, lots of maybe tourist store, McDonald's,
Alter, ja. Essen ist okay.
Chinese food,
Ich glaube, in Japan wird es nicht.
KFC. It's 7:40 in the morning.
Er macht sie fix in Rupert.
I don't know how you see it, but for me, at airports and train station, there's no time zone. You eat what you eat, you drink what you drink whenever you want. 7 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the night, doesn't matter. Midday, drink, get drunk. At airports and train stations, there are no time zones, especially if you're like from foreign country and travel. Once we were in Lisboa, we were eating McDonald's 6 o'clock in the morning. People were looking at us crazy. But nothing else to do.
Ja, ich weiß.
So huge train stations.
Ja, ist ja Bro.
Once we find something to eat, I will show you what we have. A convenience store. Then we're looking for the train because so far it's not clear which track we need. But yeah. So we're just waiting for our food. We will both order some chicken bowl. It's 8:15 in the morning. What a nice breakfast. And then after this, I think we are going to the track number 11 we saw. Now we have just to figure out which side, A or B. There are two sides, A or B, we have to figure it out. And you can see here, very quiet, peaceful. The only bad thing is on the second floor and there is no escalator. You have to drag up your luggage the stairs. Beside of that, all good. We're gonna have some breakfast, drink something. I have a dry mouth. And then a 4.5 hour train ride down to Shanghai, the biggest city in China. No, not the biggest, but the most advanced. I think 25 million live there. I'm very excited to see. We have not so much planned yet for Shanghai as we have here for Beijing, but it's good to live in today as well. Surely we're gonna see the skyline. We're gonna go to the highest building of China, to the top floor there. And this is my number. You can see
6 francs.
111. So, and it costs 6 francs. Good breakfast, chicken bowl with vegetables and the drink. Here is my breakfast. Some nice tea, salad, tea, very juicy and fruity with some fruit pieces inside. It tastes very nice. Here, nice chicken bowl. So good breakfast. After this, we're gonna head to the to the track to see where exactly we have to go and to take some photos of the train. And then I think we can order some KFC or McDonald's if you're inside the train during the train ride. And then it gets delivered to you into the train on the next station. So I think we're going to try this. And there's some work to do in the train. Yeah, but for now I'm gonna enjoy this delicious breakfast. And there are actually quite a few people here, as you can see. So we made it to our train. It's a very long train. Looks nice from the outside. You can see. We had to ask for some help because we did not know which compartment we are. But once they scanned our passport, they knew, as we knew. So we have a nice perfect place. Track number 8, compartment number 8. We're getting ready. 4.5 hours from Shanghai. They're loading the train. I'm going to show you the inside. We are lucky to have seats just next to the luggage compartment. See here our luggage. The train from the inside. Quite hot inside. Now we are in the train and we just found out that we can decline the seats. We have enough space, nobody behind us, so no need to worry that we make someone uncomfortable. And we are 1 hour and a half now into the journey. We already had one stop in a city I don't know how to pronounce. We're pretty fast. Look at this. We tried those Red Bulls. They're quite strong, but somehow tasty. I like it. It's not the same as in Europe. The first hour I did some work on my phone, on the laptop. Later I will go and check out the restaurant, buy something to eat, and of course I'm gonna take you with me. They come by with food. Perfect timing. But so far we did not find out if we could order some food from a train station where we take a stop. Yeah, so far it's a nice journey. You don't feel the speed. Yeah, you can see I'm way back. I'm leaned back like Fat Joe. So it's a good seat, and this is just economy seat, yeah. So the cheapest ticket you can get for this train. There are another two classes. There's there's first class, and then there is another one that's called business class that has full flat beds where you can lay down. But look at this. It costs more than £100, 100 euros or Swiss francs more, and for me it's not worth it for this time. Yeah, we are comfortable, enjoying the journey down to Shanghai. The train is full, everybody is friendly, everybody is enjoying the journey, relaxing. They are cleaning the train, and great success for China, those trains. Great success. But what I don't understand is this: why you don't see the clear sky? Why you don't have a clear sky here in China? If you're from China and you see this video, can you explain what it is? Because I think it is not smog anymore. So yeah, let us know in the comment if you're from China.
Oh no, this is the station. You can buy Nanjing Nan Station.
Which station?
The next station is Nanjing Nan Station.
Yeah, can order in the phone or?
You can. Well, this 支付宝，没有支付宝吗？
Ah, okay. Then it comes delivered.
No, 支付宝微信。Just a moment.
Yeah, I want KFC. I thought you cannot order it. But now let's see. She's looking for us now to order some KFC. I don't know. There's quite a lot of trouble. So I'm trying to order now KFC. Look at this. You can see where we are on the map, live view. So yeah, you see where we are right now and where we're heading. Very nice. You have to scan the barcode. Let me see to translate it. Okay, we're getting closer. There's let's see. What I would like to see is how fast we are, but probably it's like the limit 350 kilometers an hour. Maybe let's see. Oh damn. Not so easy. Let me see. Try again. Scan the QR code. Translate. Catering. Okay, I think I got it now. I have chosen the next station where we'll be at in 1 hour 30, but it says it doesn't work. Sorry, I cannot accept any ordering. Still doesn't work. I don't know. The next station will be arrive in 1 hour 25 minutes. I would like to order some food from the station like KFC or McDonald's, but it says it's not able to order any food at the moment. I don't know if this because we are too early to order food or because this train doesn't work. catering. Let's see here. It says you need a program to order quicker food. Still trying to figure out, let's see, maybe service at the train station is charging. There are some Portuguese people behind us. No success so far ordering food, but I think she will come back and maybe help us, support us. I don't know what she's trying to do. I'd ask because I saw her walking by with the KFC bag and I'm hungry and I want to try. Ordering the KFC to your train. I will try, I will continue to try, and then I will give you an update if I'm succeeded or not.
KFC.
McDonald's?
McDonald's, okay.
Okay.
Choose.
Choose. Comment das?
Zwei Burger zu nehmen einfach gestoppelt.
你点这个就行。
Chicken.
Yes, chicken.
Okay. This one.
This one.
Yes.
Only this.
Yeah.
Okay 了。
Pay?
88 yuan
Yes.
and 8 yuan. 看，你等会儿啊。
I pay now.
这个。9 6
Okay.
OK，等会儿啊，我给他下，把车单里啊，对，阿里配就行。OK 了
Okay.
了。
I pay. So yeah, success, no KFC, but McDonald's, 2 chicken burgers, 3 mayonnaise. So next station, 1 hour 20 minutes from here. We will sit here and they will order McDonald's to the train. That is a success for society. Yeah. So Europe, Switzerland and all the other countries, I don't know how it will be in Japan if you can do that. But I think you need to step up your game, especially Switzerland, SBB, if you hear this. For the price we pay, please step up your game, okay? Thank you. Very good. So the food has arrived. The Mechas has arrived. I think it will be a little bit cold, of course. They cannot keep it warm so long. We ordered 2 menus, chicken burgers. Let's go. This is our lunch. Yeah, 2 Coke powders. But they are not cold, they are warm. That's what I expected. Then I think later the lady will pass by with the trash can, so we can just put it there. So what is this? Chicken nuggets. Chicken fillet burger. Yeah, 2 times the same. Oh no, we have spicy wings. And McSpicy chicken fillet burger. No fries. I don't know if you ordered fries, I don't remember, but it's okay. Coke. So let's see. Good stuff, good stuff. It's not warm, hot, but it's warm, it's okay. Massage. Good stuff, huh? Let's just finish the burger. Now I find out that there on the screen it says how fast we are. Now it's in Chinese, but it is as well written down in English, 350 km an hour. So yeah, that's how it looks like, 350 km an hour. So we paid like $5-6 for one meal. Very cheap, very good. Good stuff, good stuff. Here we are, we arrived in Shanghai. Behind us the train, big beautiful station as well. Amazing train ride, very smooth, you don't feel anything. Much better than in Europe, I swear. So China so far, very great success. I like the country. I'm already thinking about coming back here to China. You see all those people were here in the train with me. For me it's a great experience today. A beautiful train. If you come to China, try to travel once with the train. Amazing. I had an amazing seat as well in the economy class. If you are looking for a bit more exclusive class, I guess it's even better. But so far, great ride. China, amazing train system, 10 out of 10. See you in the next video, first day in Shanghai. Like, subscribe and leave a comment.